This video will guide you on how to do a quick search for stock item while you are issuing certain sales or purchase document. Let's say, for instance, I need to issue an invoice. So I would click on certain relevant information like date, customer, and then as I click here, item code, if I have a very long list of items, or I need to search certain item according to part of the description, how do I do so? One of the method is to go to View, Stock Item Search, or you can press on shortcut key F9. Now once you press on this button, you will notice that a thing called Stock Item Search will appear. You can click in certain things like Nokia and press on Search. You will notice that everything that has the word Nokia in it will appear. Okay? And then, let's say for instance, I want to search something in between. Let's say something that has the character 110 in it. So I'll key in 110 and then press enter or search, and then notice characters, all these three items would have character 110 and it's also Nokia. So if you got these three selected, now a lot of times people will request you to, other software will request you to press the number N-7110 to search for the item. But in our case, this is not necessary. What you can do is press this, drag and drop over and release. I'll show you one more time. Press this, hold it, drag and drop over and release. Let's do another search. For instance, Ericsson. So I'll just type in Eric, and then obviously all the items in Eric with the word Eric will appear. Now I want to drop this item as well as this item. How should I do it? You can press Ericsson battery once, then press Control key Ericsson T28. As you can see, two items is selected here, and then you can press don't release and then drag and drop over, and then you have two items inside. Now I'd like to show you some of the more advanced searching function. For instance, here I've already searched for Nokia, but what if between Nokia I want to search for characters that have N and the character 1 in it? You can do it in such a way. Key in the symbol percentage N, because in between there is character, but you only want to search for 1. So in this case, I'm searching for N without dash 33, but I want a character 1. So when I do search, as you can see here, all this in the list has the character N as well as 1 in it. Just like over here, Ericsson has N and 1. Okay? Now, in our searching, we search for item code, description, as well as description 2. Now, in some instances, you might have a very specific field you want to search within the stock. So what you need to do is right-click, Advanced Item Search, and you notice behind me, there's an Advanced Item Search. Now, in Advanced Item Search, just like over here earlier, okay, number 1, I can choose to search what field, okay, item code, description, or description 2, either one of these. Okay, the difference is in this one it search for all these three. In the advanced item search, it only search for the code, description, or description 2, or any other field that you specifically specify. And I would choose contain. I would pick it, and now I search for 1, and you give me a list, and this list will show me the stock items that has these characters in them. Now if you need to display more information about these codes, you can take on maybe their description 2, stock group, remark, and any other information that you choose to. do another search, and you will notice it's still the same search, it's just that it's displaying more information. Okay? Now, one last thing is this. Whenever you search over here the result, the same result will appear on the top. So let's say if I search for something like this, with the character 9, as well as the character C, then it appears as such, and the same result will appear in the simple stock item search.